Ever needed to share a file but didn't want it to stay online forever? Temporary links that expire are the perfect solution. They let you share safely for a short time and then disappear. In this video, I'll explain how temporary links work and show the simple ways to create them. No jargon, just practical tips. First, what is a temporary link? It's a URL that stops working after a set time or after a set number of downloads. Instead of leaving your file accessible forever, you control how long it's available, minutes, hours, or days. Method 1. Use cloud storage with Expire settings. Many cloud services let you create shareable links and set an expiry date. Upload the file, create a share link, then pick how long it stays active. This is the easiest way for most people, no coding needed, and it works for documents, photos, and videos. Method 2. One-time or limited download links. Some services allow links that automatically expire after a single download or after a fixed number of downloads. This is great for sending passwords, invoices, or private files where you want strict control. Method 3. Peer-to-peer temporary sharing. Peer-to-peer tools create a direct transfer between your device and the recipients. The file is only available while both sides are connected. Once the transfer finishes, no copy stays on a server. It's private and fast for large files. Method 4. Pre-signed URLs and server-generated tokens. If you manage a website or use cloud hosting, you can generate links that include a time-limited token. When the token expires, the server refuses the download. This method is flexible and secure, and it's how many professional apps handle temporary links. Now a few security best practices. Set the shortest reasonable expiry, minutes if the file is sensitive. Limit downloads and require a password if needed. Use HTTPS links only, and monitor access logs so you can spot suspicious activity. If a link leaks, revoke or delete the file immediately. Temporary links are perfect for sending contracts, private photos, or time-sensitive downloads without leaving a permanent trail. Try them next time you share something important, quick, private, and gone when you want it to be. Want a quick list of services and step-by-step how-to to create each type? I can make that next, just say the word. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.